Hello students, welcome to the next video of integration. In today's video we are going to see the integral of the form integral dx upon ax square plus bx plus c or integral dx upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c. That means 1 upon quadratic equation, right, or 1 upon under root of quadratic equation. So if this type of question is given to integrate, then how to do the integration? So what we are going to do, we are going to find the third term. Okay, third term formula is half into coefficient of x the whole square, and then we are going to add and subtract this third term, and we will convert this quadratic equation in whole square form like this. Okay, so let's see the example, then concept will be very clear to you. So here is the example. Question is evaluate integral 1 upon x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. Okay. Now let's consider this as I. So I is a integral 1 upon quadratic equation. As you can see, denominator is a x square plus 3x plus 2, which is a quadratic equation. Now I have to convert this quadratic in whole square form. So for that I have to find third term. Okay, so third term formula, that is equal to half into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3. So half into 3 the whole square. So that is equal to 3 upon 2 the whole square. So that is equal to 9 upon 4. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to add this 9 upon 4 and subtract this 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 plus then 9 upon 4 minus. Okay. Now see it very carefully. See here, this first three terms, x square plus 3x plus 9 upon 4, this will be x plus 3 upon 2 the whole square. How I am getting this? So for that I have to take the square root of the first term, which is x. Then from second term I have to take the sign. So sign is plus, and again from the last term I have to take the square root. So 3 upon 2 the whole square. Then 2 minus 9 upon 4. So that is equal to 8 minus 9 upon 4. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Okay. So minus sign as it is, and this 1 upon 4, can I write this 1 upon 4 as 1 upon 2 the whole square? Okay, so this 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 2 the whole square. Now I am going to apply this formula. Integral 1 upon x square minus a square, that is equal to 1 upon 2a into log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So this whole part is a x and 1 upon 2 is a. So by substituting a in this formula, I will get this as 1 upon 2 into a. So a is 1 upon 2 into log x. Instead of x I have to substitute x plus 3 upon 2. So x plus 3 upon 2, then minus a. A is 1 upon 2. Then x plus a. So x plus a plus c. Okay. So finally by cross multiplying we get that 2 cancel. So that is equal to log mod of 2x, then 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 2 divided by 2x plus 4 upon 2. So 2 cancel. Okay. Now that is equal to log 2x plus 2 upon 2x plus 4. Okay. Now by dividing numerator and denominator by 2, I will get log x plus 2 upon x plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2. Okay, so log x plus 1 upon x plus 2 plus c. Okay, so x square plus 3x plus 2 is factorizable into x plus 2, x plus 1. Then it can be solved by using the partial fraction. If you factorize this as x plus 2, x plus 1, then we will apply the partial fraction method. Okay, but here we can solve this by using third term method. Okay, so if quadratic equation is given, then to solve that quadratic equation or to integrate that 1 upon quadratic equation, compulsory the numerator should be 1 to apply this form. Okay, now see the next one. Here we have to integrate 1 upon 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now for that we don't need this coefficient of x square. Okay, coefficient of x square compulsory it should be 1. If it is other than 1, then we have to take that number as common. So we'll take this 2 outside. So now the I will be 1 upon 2 integral dx upon, it will be x square plus 3 upon 2x plus 1 upon 2. Okay, taking 2 outside means I have to divide the whole denominator by 2. Okay, so I will get this quadratic equation. Now again, to make a whole square, I have to find the third term. So third term formula, that is equal to half into coefficient of x whole square. So that is equal to 9 upon 16. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to add this 9 upon 16 and have to subtract this 9 upon 16. Okay, now see the first 3 terms. So it become x, then plus, then 3 upon 4. So x plus 3 upon 4 the whole square. Then 1 upon 2 minus 9 upon 16. So that will be solve this. It will be 16, 8 minus 9. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 16. Okay, now minus as it is, and 1 upon 16 can be written as 1 upon 4 the whole square. Okay, so this part will be 1 upon 4 the whole square. Now this is in the form of integral 1 upon x square minus a square dx, right? So again I have to apply the same formula, that is equal to 1 upon 2a into log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay, now here a is equal to, here a is 1 upon 4 and x is x plus 3 upon 4. So in place of x I have to substitute x plus 3 upon 4, and in place of a I have to substitute 1 upon 4. So by substituting that we get this 1 upon 2 as it is. Okay, now this part is 1 upon 2 into a, but a is 1 upon 4 into log x, but x is x plus 3 upon 4 minus a is 1 upon 4. Okay, then x plus a is again 1 upon 4. So by solving this we get, that is equal to log 4x plus 2 upon 4x plus 4 plus c. Okay, now by taking 2 common and dividing numerator and denominator by 2, we get that is equal to log 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 2 plus c. Okay, so with this I am concluding this video. Thank you students.